Hi everyone. Ever wish you could search the live web and debug your code at the same time? Today, I'm showing you the step-by-step guide to bringing the power of Perplexity AI directly into VS Code. This is the ultimate setup for real-time documentation and bug fixing. Let's get started. Step 1. Install the extension. First, open VS Code and head over to the Extensions Marketplace on the left sidebar. Search for Perplexity. In 2026, you're looking for the official extension or a verified partner like continue.dev. Click Install and wait for the Perplexity icon to appear in your activity bar. Step 2. Connect your API key. To get the AI working, you need an API key. Go to your Perplexity settings on their website and look for the API tab. Generate a new key and copy it. Back in VS Code, click the Perplexity icon, open the extension settings, and paste your key into the API key field. This connects your editor to Perplexity's real-time search models. Step 3. Index your project. For the best results, you want the AI to understand your specific code. In the extension panel, select Index Project. This allows Perplexity to scan your files so that when you ask questions, it knows the context of your functions and variables, rather than just giving general advice. Step 4. Use the real-time search. Now for the magic. Highlight a piece of code, press the shortcut, usually Command-Shift-L, and ask a question like, how do I update this for the latest version of this library? Perplexity will search the web, read the latest docs, and provide a code snippet directly in your sidebar. Once Perplexity gives you an answer, you don't need to copy-paste. Click the Apply or Insert button in the chat window. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.